The spiritual law of success, harmonizing with the universe for true fulfillment. Success, in its deepest sense, is not merely an accumulation of wealth or recognition, but a state of being that reflects our inner harmony and alignment with the universe's vast energies. The spiritual law of success teaches us that true success emerges when our personal or collective vibrations resonate with the vibration of our desired outcomes. This profound connection underscores the belief that our thoughts, mindsets, and beliefs generate an energy field that vibrates around us, attracting corresponding experiences and opportunities. Understanding the vibrational match for success. Success comes to us when we send out and receive energies that are in alignment with our goals and aspirations. This vibrational match occurs when our beliefs, particularly self-belief, align with the nature of our desires. Whether in love, business, or personal growth, holding positive beliefs such as, "I am lovable," "I deserve to succeed," and "I can trust others," sets the foundation for attracting success into our lives. Activating the spiritual law of success. To effectively activate this law, it's crucial to clear away mental, emotional, and physical clutter, creating a clear path toward our goals. The spiritual law of attention plays a pivotal role in this process, emphasizing the importance of clarity, faith, and dedication in manifesting our visions. By focusing our attention on what we truly wish to achieve and maintaining a steadfast belief in our ability to succeed, we invite the universe to support our journey. The role of karma and flow. Intriguingly, the spiritual law of success also recognizes the karmic dimension of success, suggesting that when success arrives seemingly out of nowhere, it may be the fruition of good karma from past efforts. This aspect of success highlights the importance of being in the right place at the right time, equipped with a mindset conducive to seizing opportunities. Moreover, abiding by the spiritual law of flow is essential for success. This law encourages us to release negativities and maintain a positive focus on our desired outcomes. By allowing ourselves to flow with the universe's energies, we open doors to opportunities and synchronicities that lead us closer to our goals. The spiritual path to success. Success, from a spiritual perspective, entails believing in ourselves, striving to do our best, and desiring the highest and best outcomes for all involved. It's about aligning our vibrations with those of our aspirations, clearing the way for the universe's abundance to flow into our lives. By fostering a mindset of love, trust, and worthiness, we not only achieve success in various areas of our lives, but also contribute to the collective elevation of consciousness. In essence, the spiritual law of success guides us towards a life of purpose, joy, and fulfillment. It teaches us that by harmonizing our inner world with the universal energies, we can manifest a reality that reflects our deepest desires and highest aspirations. Success, then, becomes not just an external achievement, but a reflection of our spiritual alignment and the vibrant dance of energy that connects us all.